Happy Friday! Welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Robyn and I do sewing and crafting tutorials, but today is Friday Sews, where I share a little bit about what I've been sewing and a little bit about life. I went to my thrift store the other day and I found this beautiful fabric. Isn't it pretty? It's my favorite color. I got 4 yards, 60 inches wide for $5. What a deal. It's beautiful. It's like it doesn't stretch. So I'm not really, and it's kind of a thick fabric. So I'm thinking I might turn this into a tablecloth. Because I don't know if you can see the texture. It's got this beautiful aqua blue green and with this little texture of the white, little slubs of white going through it. It's so pretty. Comment below and tell me what you would make with this type of fabric. This kind of little stiff, it's too stiff for like a dress or anything like that. So I'm thinking a tablecloth, or what do y'all think? Comment below your ideas. I just couldn't pass it up. I just love this color. And the texture on it is so pretty. So I had to get it even though I didn't know what I was going to make with it, other than maybe a tablecloth. We'll see. And I wanted to show you guys a little pin cushion I made. And I made it out of a tuna can. I cut the tuna can and washed it and cleaned it and filled it with fiberfill and glued some felt on the bottom so it wouldn't scratch my table, and put some ribbon, and then I added this little ribbon around it and used some adorable fabric on the top. And it reminds me of like a Victorian hat, kind of. So I just thought I would share that with you guys in case anybody is looking to make a pin cushion. I just finished making these this week for my granddaughter, these little bow head wraps, and I just put a tutorial up on my channel if you want to know how to make these. They're quick and easy and make great gifts. So check that out. I'll have a link in my description box if you want to check out that tutorial on how to make these. I also made a liner for my laundry hamper. I sewed up this liner to line my laundry hamper. Isn't that cute? And that way I can take it out and wash it and put it back in. I just love this blue with the pink roses. And that's about all I've gotten done this week. If you like this video, click on this video right here. I think you'll like it. Thanks for joining me today. Have a so blessed day. Bye for now.